Today in my tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a hidden comb, which is perfect for a ribbon edge veil. You're going to need a gathered veil, and let's get started. Now, the most important thing when you're looking at a ribbon edge is that the comb, especially with the hidden comb, because we're going to turn it, that the ribbon is in the right direction when we turn it. So you want the veil to be facing ribbon out. I'm going to place it so that you'll notice the curve is going this direction, and I'm going to place that on the back side. So we're going to consider this the front side because the ribbon is facing up. Then when it is turned, the ribbon is still facing up and the comb is hidden. And I'm going to put a dollop of glue on the underside of that all the way down, and I have my rubbing alcohol handy because this is when glue gets on the veil. If it does get on, it's about this moment. And I'll just throw that on the back. And when you're gathering, I try to make sure that they finish both sides the same. You don't want this one all jumbled up and backwards, so that when it flips, it has the same flip on both sides. And now I'm going to go ahead and do a whip stitch all the way down. And I like to pinch here with my thumb and my middle finger, holding this together, because the glue is setting, but it's still kind of moving around. All right, I'm just going to do a nice whip stitch all the way around, and I'll see you at the other end. All right, we have that in, and as you can see, it lays wonderfully. The veil will go over like that. It will lay in the head like this, and it will be hidden. Now, you could leave it like this, but I do like to finish my veils beautifully both sides, all sides, so that it's just finished everywhere. Go ahead and trim off any excess, and we're going to put a ribbon all the way around this. And so on this side, I want this to go like this. We're going to go like this, turn it over, and I'm going to begin by placing some glue all the way down. And this is where you want your rubbing alcohol close by, because it can get on the veil. And you want a nice good dollop of glue so you can sandwich that down real well. And then we're gonna finesse it a little bit more right now. I'm just gonna get the glue on and come on to this side. And we're gonna go ahead and come over here and fold this over just slightly. Come around. And just like that. And I always like to finish it with a little crystal or a pearl right there in the back that just says, I care about everything. I care about my veils, and it just is a signature of mine to finish them pretty all around. And then as I look over here, I make sure everything is cleaned up. And you see how that didn't get any glue. That we want to be very glued down, because we don't want that to gape open, because that's what's going under the head. And then we just kind of sandwich that down so that it becomes really fused with the netting. And that's it. And if you want to learn more ways to edge your veil, I have a playlist. Let's Get Edgy. Check that out right here. See you later, veil makers.